Hi everyone, it's Gail at Ladyfinger Sewing. We have a wonderful shipment that just arrived from Robert Kaufman. These are two really gorgeous batik collections. One is called Morning Mist, and I believe that's what we're going to start off with. These are some excellent background fabrics or kind of low volume batiks that are in shades of gray and what you see in the fog and in the morning haze, that kind of thing. They're absolutely exquisite. This is Morning Mist and the color is called Vintage. Next I have this really pretty kind of a water lily look, and this is Morning Mist and the color is Haze. Isn't that gorgeous?
Purple haze?
No, just hazy haze. That's not very purple, but good one, honey. All right, here's another one, Morning Mist. Great background, little leafy branches, and this one is called Natural. Next, another leafy branches, and so this one's slightly lighter in color, almost like a pretty vanilla color, and this one is called Ivory. I think we're going to have Denise do fat quarter bundles of these. They're just wonderful. This one is Morning Mist, and the color is Tan. Super pretty. This is a really nice, kind of reminds me of iris a bit, but it's kind of leafy and pretty. And this one is called Mist. Next, we have another water lily one, and this one is called Vintage. Isn't that pretty? It has a little bit of blue, a little bit of a kind of a beigey color, a little tan, a little white. Really nice. And finally, in this box, another one with the flower scrolly, almost like a peony, I'd say. This one is called Tan. Okay, the next box from Robert Kaufman Batiks. These are Artisan Boutiques, and this collection is called Watercolor Blossoms. We got a shipment of some of these last week, and now this is the balance of the order. So these are beautiful butterflies in a beautiful navy color, and this is called Peacock. Next, more butterflies, and this color is Honeysuckle. And let's see, and this is the rest of the butterfly, or rather the watercolor blossoms, and this one is called Bright. And now we have the rest of our Morning Mist. This is another of the water lilies, and this one is called Mist. This is a beautiful soft blue-gray in Morning Mist, and this color is called Haze. And that lovely floral motif that I like so much, this one is called Ivory. This is pretty. This is a nice design too. This one is called Natural. And back to the leafy boughs. This one in Morning Mist is called Cloud. And finally, we have Morning Mist in Mist. So check out our website. These are all online and also obviously in the store, ready for you to purchase. It looks like we'll be doing fat quarter bundles of the Morning Mist. Look for those in the next week or so. And be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel and sign up to follow us on our Facebook page as well. That's all from Gail at Ladyfinger Sewing today. Enjoy.